Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have any query then comment in comment box, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear vision, and use earphone and headphone for clear voice. And today our topic is big data specialization, course 3, all week quiz answer and assignment. एंड जो मेरी पिछली वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन टू बिग डेटा कोर्स 1 एंड बिग डेटा मॉडलिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम कोर्स 2 इनकी क्विज एंड असाइनमेंट के बारे में बताया था, सॉल्यूशन के बारे में. एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस बिग डेटा इंटीग्रेशन एंड प्रोसेसिंग. गो टू द बिग डेटा इंटीग्रेशन एंड प्रोसेसिंग वीक 1 क्विज आंसर. And the week 1 have no quiz, and go to the week 2. Sorry yaar, week 2 have one quiz part and two quiz part, and the first one is retrieving big data quiz. And the first question answer is uh, actually this answer I put in comment box में इसका आंसर मैं डाल दूंगा. And the question number second answer is select username from user table. And the question number third answer is select star from user underscore table. And the question number fourth answer is an index table in order to keep track of a given data type that might exist within multiple machines. And the question number fifth answer is project SIP reduce. And the question number sixth answer is increase the efficiency of sending data across multiple machines. And the question number seventh answer is a query statement within another query. And the question number eighth answer is a type of query that contains a subquery that require information from a query one level up. And the question number ninth answer is enables calculation based on specific columns of the table. And the question number 10th answer is collection, angular bracket collection. And the question number 11th answer is projection. And the second last question answer is query filter and angular bracket query filter. And the 13th question answer is db.email.find your index email 1 id 0 a part. The question number 14 is the last question, and the answer is tell MongoDB not to return a document id. And now we will go to week 3 quiz answer of big data integration and processing week 3. Sorry, week 2 have two parts quiz answer. First is retrieving big data, and second is Postgres, MongoDB and pandas. And the first question answer is 8, and the second question answer I put in description list. Third question answer is 32747. And the question number 4th answer is A, find the total number of user IDs in by click that have bought items with prices worth $3 and was in a team with level 5 at some point in time. And the question number 5 answer is FIFA.com. Now we will go to week 3 quiz answer. And the week 3, go to the week 3, and the week 3 have first part is information integration quiz, and the second is hands on with Splunk. Now first we will discuss is part 1 information integration quiz. And the first question answer is many sources information integration quiz answer. And the question number second answer is pay as you go model and probabilistic scheme mapping. And the question number third answer is schema created from integration two or more schemas. And the question number fourth answer is probability of two attributes co-occurring and similarities of attributes. And the question number 5 answer is data that represent an aspects of a real world entity. And the question number 6 answer is extracting the true value of a data item. And the question number 7th answer is too many data values. And the question number 8th answer is extrapolated data from a data item that represent the worth of that item. And the question number 9th answer is compare and weigh each source by their trustworthiness. And now we will go to week 4 quiz answer. And the week 4 quiz answer is sorry sorry. In the week 3 have two parts. First part's complete and second part is hand on with Spunk. View feedback and the first question, and this all answer I will give in comment box. Go to week 4, and the week 4 have pipeline and tools. And the first question answer is running the same function simultaneously for the partition of a data sets on multiple cores. And the question number second answers don't know. And the question number third answer is coordinate and workflow management, data integration and processing, and data management and storage. And the question number fourth answer is execution model, latency, scalability, programming language, fault tolerance. And the question number fifth answer is a type of hybrid data processing architecture. And the question number sixth answer is removing undefined values. And the question number seventh answer is data becomes smaller. And the question number eighth answer is group samples into k clusters. And the question number ninth answer is bottleneck using HDFS, no interactive cell and streaming, and map and reduce based computation, and also Java support only. And the question number 10th answer is Spark streaming, Spark core, MLA library, machine learning library, and the graphics in Sparks SQL. And the last question, question number 11, and the answer is writing data to memory between pipeline steps. We will discuss week 4 pipeline and tools. And now we will discuss week 4 part 2 quiz answer. And the part 2 is word count in Spark. And the first question answer is each line in the document is split up into words. And the question number second answer is each Spark partition corresponds to a line in the document. And the question number third answer is HDFS and through the Hadoop FS command. And the question number fourth answer is treat each word with a weight of 1 during the counting process. This is a week 4 complete quiz answer. And now we will go to week 5. And the week 5 have first part is move on Spark quiz answer. And the first question answer is driver program. Which part of Spark is in charge of creating RDD? Driver program. And the question number second answer is transformation are not executed until the action stage. And the question number third answer is Error sometimes do not show up until the action stage. Question number fourth answer is a transformation that requires data shuffling across node partition. This is a question number four answer, and the question number five answer is Spark context. And the question number sixth answer is a column like data format that can be read by Spark SQL. And the question number seventh answer is no lines have to be converted into row. And the question number eighth answer is connect a variety of databases, enables relation queries on Spark, deploy business intelligence tools over Spark. And the question number ninth is the last question, and the answer is a type of data to contain the information and connection between vertices and edges. This is a week 5 quiz answer. Part 1 move on more on Spark. More on Spark is quiz answer is completed, and now we will discuss to Spark SQL and Spark streaming. And the first question answer is filter each row to show only team level larger than 1. And the question number 2 answer is select the columns named user ID and team level and display first 5 rows. And the question number 3rd answer is a batch interval of 1 second. And the question number 4th answer is create a window that combines 10 second worth of data and moves by 5 second. This is the last question. This is a complete week 5 quiz answer. And now we will go to week 6. The week 6 have first part is check your query result. And the first question answer is how many tweets have location not null? Answer is 6937. And the question number 2 answer is 5809. And the question number 3rd answer is at the rate Dundalk FC and at the rate Infos Messi. And the question number 4th answer is this is a question number 4th answer is 2 tweets. And the question number 5th is the last question, and the answer is Profit Watch Info. This is the week 6 quiz answer part 1. And now we will go to week 6. Check your analysis result. And this question answer I will put in comment box. And now this the most important things is peer graded assignment. But this course number 3 have no peer graded assignments. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you have any query, then comment in comment box.